Well, you guys have probably guessed it by now. I'm in love. Now, yes, I love my wife and my daughter way more than this, right? But I'm infatuated. This thing is so amazing. It's so futuristic. It's so packed full of technology, and it's a blast to fly. And every time I put it on the channel, I've tried to bring you guys a little bit of progression with this. I have an idea that I want to try and throw at this in this flight. So without further ado, let's put this in the air and just, especially if you missed the first two videos, this is insane. Someone asked, do you have to calibrate this helicopter because it has a GPS? Yes and no. You don't have to do the stupid spinning dance, but you do have to give it about a minute to 2.5 minutes for it to calibrate itself. This helicopter, in case you're new and have missed the first two videos, does have visual position hold and a GPS. It's so easy to fly, hands-free, in a ton of wind. It's amazing. It also has a return to home feature, just like your favorite super expensive GPS drones. And here's what makes this thing absolutely amazing. Are you ready?
Ready.
Good job. Good job. Let's go backwards. And another sideways maneuver. That's amazing. So in previous videos, I've taken a while to figure that out and get that flight to you to show that, but also we haven't done this yet. Let's flip it over. We're upside down. By the way, guys, in case you didn't know,
it's upside down, hands free. That's what he's trying to tell you.
Hands free. But here's what's unique about this now. We can actually fly this inverted and cruise it around, which I have not done that in a video yet. So I wanted to bring that to you. I'm going really slow right now because I don't know if it's really intended to do that. So I'm just making sure like I'm not pushing it out of its comfort zone, but here we go. We'll go like pretty much full throttle. There's full throttle. That's full throttle, inverted, just holding one direction. Steering it around. Upside down. I look like a pro, and I'm really just flying it like a GPS drone. I know all you 3D guys absolutely hate this product, and probably me now, but it's amazing, and this could save the helicopter hobby and get a ton of people into the hobby. Let's flip it back over, and here's the idea that I had. I want to try this. Let's get it just a little bit lower. I want to see, can we rotate the helicopter and flip it upside down at the same time? Let's go. Rotation, flip. Oh, it doesn't let it keep rotating. So it stopped the rotation. When I flip, it doesn't allow it to rotate. Okay, well, I wasn't sure how insane it would let me go. So that's what I wanted to test. But the good news is, in this video, you guys got to see it actually flying around upside down. Just cruising around. How low will it let us go?
That's what I've been waiting on.
So I'm actually pushing throttle down right there.
And it went up.
And now I'm pushing throttle up, and it is going down. So let's see
throttle is opposite.
Throttle is opposite right now, which is good. It's a good mindset to get in. Oh, lower than I realized. Wow. Okay, so it'll let us go all the way to the ground. We're inverted right now, guys, in case you couldn't tell.
Touch it!
So, I'm not gonna touch it, but let's actually get a little bit closer.
That's how you know you're good.
Let's get a little closer now that I know we can do that. So we're flying inverted right now, you guys. Absolutely upside down. I don't want to get too much closer.
Yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. Okay.
But look at that. We are upside down, literally about 2 or 3 feet off the ground, doing a nice rotation. Okay. Let's fly up just a little bit and we'll flip it back over. Oh, it's just scary to see that. And flip. Ah, it's cool. This helicopter is amazing. It is so groundbreaking and just doing things that no other helicopter has ever done. Ever. And especially at the size too. So we can just keep flipping it. We can fly it around. and oh, it's got a low battery. So it has a low battery alarm. The helicopter will beep and let you know it's got a low alarm, and you can see a little red light flashing on the back too. But also this helicopter will let you go in full manual mode, which I have not done yet. So you can do absolutely insane maneuvers on this thing. I just haven't done it. So we'll do a nice smooth landing right here in front of us.
Has returned to home.
It does. So if we flew out and got disoriented or lost or something, we could get it to land right back in front of us with the flip of a switch, just like a GPS drone. Look at that, smooth landing. Wow.
Always have to wait for the prop to stop spinning in the video.
Well, that's actually my best flight of this helicopter so far, and I have really been putting this thing through its paces. Now, it's funny because by the time you watch this video, it was probably recorded like a week and a half ago, because I didn't want to just push 3 videos of this in a row. So since I've owned this, which has been like a day, I've flown it 5 times, and I only have 1 battery. I thought I had more of this size, but they're 4S. And the nice thing about this helicopter is it's not proprietary batteries. It needs an XT30 plug and 850 milliamp battery. That's amazing. I was sure I had some, and maybe I do, but they're just not with the others. So I need to order a couple more batteries. So I've literally
look for the batteries you think you have. Just buy some new ones.
I need to look for my batteries.
Sounds about right.
I've been bringing this home, charging it, and coming back up here to fly. That's 5 times in seriously like a day. This is amazing. And by the time you guys watch this, I will probably have flown it more. Maybe we'll get Abby to fly it. Normally we don't really do that. Normally we kind of release stuff as it's like recorded and the same day, but this has been so exciting and groundbreaking. I've just been showing it off and flying and having fun as much as I possibly can. If you're interested, it's linked in the description box below. Now, I've said this in other videos, I said it in the last video of this. I'm not telling you like you have to run out and buy this. If you do, it's amazing and you're gonna love it. But if you're going to buy it, please consider buying it through our link, because it won't cost you a single extra penny, but it does help keep food on the table for us and content rolling on the channel. It helps to support us at no extra cost to you. It's a beautiful system in place. So if you're going to buy it or something similar on the website, please consider using our link. This thing is groundbreaking. It's amazing. It's super fun. I think we're gonna have a blast with this helicopter this year, Abby. If we go to any RC events, we'll bring this with us,
we're gonna look
show
like
it off,
pros.
let people fly it, say, hey, you wanna fly a helicopter upside down? Boom, upside down. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That's the lowest I've ever flown a helicopter inverted.
You actually did that today.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Someone that said they took years to learn how to fly a helicopter in a square.
In a square. He said, I literally took years to learn this. We met him and flew some things together. He did this and flipped it upside down and was just, he's a friend of ours that has retired and, but still flies like a ton. And he was just blown away when he got to fly this, invert it, and had a blast with it. So that was a treat to watch him fly it. And Abby, you've got to fly this. You got to get your hands on the controls. It's amazing. It'll be linked in the description box below. I want to say a massive thanks to God for this awesome, beautiful t-shirt weather day to fly this helicopter and bring this content to you guys. And a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters. Because of you guys, this content remains free for the world to enjoy. This family-friendly content that we are very proud of. Thousands of videos, as a matter of fact. I'm very proud of that. We'll have another awesome RC helicopter video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.